hope the ads are over now. Let me check and see. Yeah, it looks like we have like 45 seconds left. But let me type it in here. Following at raw. I try to time these this ad situation so that it kind of ends at the same time that my live starts, but it doesn't really always start off that way. Alright, there we go. Now we're live. Thank you so much for following Rah Fred. Fred. Appreciate you. Today I'm just doing a DataCamp project called, I believe exploring the history of Lego. It's in Python, and it's pretty much, data manipulation with pandas. So we'll see how that goes. It shouldn't be too long of a live, but it's a guided project, so we can definitely walk through that. If you would like, and I really appreciate it because I like to have my videos reach as many people as possible, in the chat, if you can do /host Stella Decoder, this will activate on your channel that you will be hosting this video so more people can see it. It's free, no charge to you, and it helps me get more exposure, so I appreciate it. Let's get into this coding exercise. Alright. Let's make it a little larger here so we can actually see the words. There we go. Let's zoom in to, hey, come back. I think 150 is good. Now we can actually see what's going on because the words are so small. So we're doing exploring the history of Lego. We're going to use a variety of data manipulation techniques to explore different aspects of Lego's history. The Rubricable, that's cute, database includes the data on every Lego set that has ever been sold. Wow. The names of the sets, what bricks they contain, what color the bricks are, etc. It might be small bricks, but this is big data. In this project, you will get to explore the Rubricable database and answer a series of questions related to the history of Lego. That's pretty awesome. I like Legos. I used to have Legos when I was little. We're going to use Python to build a Python project that has specific solution with guided tasks and real-time automated code checks. Let's go. And this is just a project here in DataCamp. If you're interested in using DataCamp, they do offer free courses, or you can join and get $20 off from the code that is in the chat. So let's see what we got here. Let me move this over so we can have more of space of the actual project. It says, welcome to the Python project exploring 67 years of Lego. Wow, 67 years. We've done one before. Read the first paragraph in the notebook. Yeah. Okay, if all the tests pass, then they'll turn green. So it looks like we only have like 7 sections in here, so it's a pretty short project. And that's a good thing here. So let's look at the introduction. It says, everyone loves Lego, unless you ever stepped on one, because stepping on a Lego definitely hurts a lot. Those things are horrible. If you ever stepped on a Lego, let me know in the chat, because oh my gosh. Did you know, by the way, that Lego was derived from the Danish phrase "le godt." Cool. Play well. Well, that's cute. Unless you speak Danish, probably not. No, I didn't know that. In this project, we will analyze a fascinating data set on every single Lego block that's ever been built. Okay. So we don't have anything to do in that first section there. Looks like that was just the introduction. Let's see. A comprehensive database of Lego blocks is provided. The data is available as a CSV files, and the schema is shown below. So it looks like we have different data tables. It's interesting. So we have inventory sets, themes, part categories, parts, inventories, inventory parts, and colors. Looks like majority of them has the ID row in them, and some share set number, some share inventory ID. That's good to know. So we're going to import pandas. So we import pandas as PD. Read the colors data. What's the data set? Hold up. Okay, so the data set name is going to be colors equals, let me see if I can do this right. PD dot read dot CSV. What's it called? I'm gonna copy it so I can spell it right. I think I did that right. And then we're going to print the first few rows. So we're gonna call the head. Let me see if I read it right. Hey. All right. Repetition is everything. Okay, so we pretty much imported, or we're reading the CSV here, data set colors, and we're calling it colors, and we called the first 5 rows of the colors data frame. So it looks like it's by name or color name, and that's the RGB color. And I guess this means if it's transparent, and the F is false. We'll see, since we're looking at the colors here. All right. Oh, because they have like some Legos that are red and they're a solid color, and then others are like a transparent color. Great. So we did that. Let's move on to section 3. Okay, so now that we've read the colors data, we can start exporting it. Let's start by understanding the number of colors available. How many distinct colors are available? Ooh. I need to look that up. I don't remember the distinct function. I have to learn how to call help. Let's look. Let's look it up real quick. Let's see. Distinct. I can't even spell it. Function in Python to get unique values. I don't remember the syntax. No, we're doing all that. Set. Do I have to create the function first? I thought I could just like call a method. What's the ad about to pop up on me? No, don't do that. Method. Here we go. Using collections counter. I think that's what I want. Do I have to? Let's go back. Where's my cheat sheet? Pandas cheat sheet. I ain't got time to be playing around. I probably should have did this after I did the data manipulation, because I don't remember how to do that. Okay, here we go. Do, 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 do. Okay, so I see the handling missing data. We're not dropping, we're not replacing. Oh, here we go. And that's what I wanted. How many distinct colors are available? Do I have to call it on the actual? That's not what I want. Okay, here we go. So colors, unique. What's the table? Are we doing it on name? Number of colors available. Now that we've heard the color data, we can start. Let's start by understanding. Okay. How many distinct? Let's try this, because I don't know. And, oh, we're going to name it num colors? Create a variable. Okay. Num colors equals colors names number unique. Let's print num colors. See if that works. Did I do that right? I think I did. Maybe. It says 135. So based off of finding the unique colors, it's saying that there's 135 Lego colors. Wow. Okay. Let's go to the next task. Transparent colors in Lego sets. So the colors data has a column named is trans, which is that one, which I figured that meant like transparent colors. The color data has a column named is underscore trans that indicates whether a color is transparent or not. It would be interesting to explore the distribution of transparent versus non-transparent colors. So it says summarize colors based on their transparency. Save the result as a variable named color summary. So color summary equals Oh, executing your code should result in the table below. What does this say? basically I'm trying to see if it's transparent or not. It's like a Boolean. I don't want that one. Go away. Let's see. Do I have a group by? Just no. Let's take a hint, because I'm not really 100%. Group by. See, that's why you always got to go by your first mind, people. I was like, group it? You will need to use the group by in this step, passing it in the name of the column you want to group by. You will need to use an aggregation function in combination with group by to correctly count the number of transparent and non-transparent colors. Okay, let's see if we can remember. What is the... Here it is. So I have to do colors dot group by the column is underscore trans. Okay. What's this column called? Is trans. And then we're going to count. Dot count. Is it gonna let me do that? Let's try it. Oh, I have to print it out. Where we at? What did I do? Group by I'm Googling everything. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's look at the documentation. I just clearly. We had an example. Oh, I gotta put by in there? Oh. Maybe I should have followed the directions. Let's go back. So, by. Syntax was right there. Do I have to put it in quotes though? I don't know. Let's go back. Where we at? Okay. Put it in that, and then outside of that call the aggregated. Okay, let's try it. First, let's put you in here. Close you out. Call the count on there. Let's try that. Do I gotta print something? You need to use group by. Yep. Okay, so I did that part. Summary. Yay! We did it. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like. That is so exciting. I'm gonna use Google, okay? If I don't understand something, I'm gonna use Google. So basically we grouped by this column is underscore trans, and since there's false and true in here, it pretty much grouped everything. So it looks like there's out of all of the Lego colors, 107 colors are not transparent, and there's 28 colors that are transparent. It's very interesting. Let's go to number 5. Another interesting data set available in this database is, let me see this tip jar is the sets data. It contains a comprehensive list of sets over the years and the number of parts that each of these contain. So it looks like this Weetabix castle back in 1970 had 471 parts. And then it looks like later in the years there were less parts possibly in some of the sets, but maybe this one has the most parts. Let's use this data to explore how the average number of parts in Lego sets has varied over the years. Okay. Okay, so this data frame is going to be called sets pd.read. I'm going to read the CSV, and it is this one. I like to copy and paste because I don't want to jack up the file name. No, come back. Okay, create a summary of average number of parts by year, So it says average number of parts by year. I feel like I need to group it by year, and then I need to call the average on it. Let's see if that works. How did I do it before? I did colors, and I group by, and then by, what is this called? Year? It's parts by year. Number of parts? Can I group by parts and year? How do I do that? I don't know. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see if that's the way to do that. And then I'm gonna call is it the average method? Can we do average? Or is it the mean instead of the average? Let's do the mean. Plot trends in average number of parts by year. This is matplotlib. I don't even know the syntax for mat. I know Seaborn. I don't know. Let me see if I can print this first before I plot anything. Is that even right? No, I can't do both of those like that. Can I do it like this? No. Can I separate it like that? Nope. That syntax is all wrong. Oh man. Okay. I guess I could only. I thought I could group by multiple thingamabitters. Well, let me see. If I was gonna plot it, I'd do. What is this one called? Sets. Oh, well, first of all, that's not even the right daggone data frame. Let's look at that. No, I don't know. I don't know what this one is. Can I do it like that? Do I have to do double? Haha. Okay. So, what is it saying to me? What is it supposed to look like? It's supposed to look like the years and number parts, which I messed up somewhere. Because I'm trying to find the average of each year. I'm gonna print the head. Okay. Create a summary of average number of parts by year. I'm trying to make it look like this table here, and that's not what it's looking like. I have year and I have num parts, but then like theme, the ID is in there, and I don't want the ID in there, and I need for these numbers to give me the average here, which I thought I was doing that with the mean. Let's take a hint. I know how to plot it. We are group by it. You again wants to use a group by, which I did. And this time in combination with a different aggregation function, which I did. What if I just took out year and just did that and just found the mean? What would it give me? Okay. Oh, okay. So how do I take the ID out? I don't want the ID in there. I just want the year and the num parts, which we have the years and we have the num parts in here. But I don't want the ID in here. I have this printed out because I wanted to see what I'm printing out, but let's do sets dot plot. What are we doing? Like what type of plot do you want? Oop, wrong thing. What type of plot do we want? histogram. Or do we want a scatter plot? Let's see, what is the syntax for this? X is jeez. Year. And then Y is num parts, I guess. Not num plus parts. I don't think that's right. But I want to get rid of this theme ID. Where is that? It's right here. We'll figure that out later, cause I don't know. Okay. Create a summary of the number of distinct themes shipped by year. Save it as a data frame. Name themes by year. Print the first couple of rows. Alright. So it says Lego blocks ship under multiple themes. Let's try to get the sense of how the number of themes ships has varied over the years. Themes by year. Distinct. So that was when we called this unique function up here. Let's just take that, even though, what table is this? Come back. Come back to me. What is it called? Is it theme? Where we at? Themes. Okay. So I definitely need to change that to themes. There's ID, there's name, and parent ID in here. What are we doing? Themes. I think it's that one. And then we're gonna print. Oh, we ain't gotta do it like that. We ain't gotta do it like that. By year. We're gonna print the head of it. Let's see if we got that in there, right? Nope, what'd I do? Beams is not defined. What do you mean? Why not? That's not what that is. Like a black ship. No. Let's click on this. What does it say? Those are themes. That's cute. Alright. Well. Wait. Okay, up here. Oh. Well. Okay. But my thing is, time out. So, was reading data frame colors. We did that. But what are we in right now? What's the data set? What are we in? We're in sets. We're still in sets then? Because we don't have a daggone... What? What do you mean? An object has no attribute head. Use a lie. Can't I just call the head? What are we doing in life? Okay, we'll come back to that. So let's read this documentation. Clearly I'm messing it up. What are we at? Return group by all. Group by head. Group by mean. This is nice. Okay. I'm not sure what we're doing here. I did that. I definitely did that. But at the same time, oh, is the thing not... Where is it? Where are we at? Okay, that's... So I need to call it on a theme ID? Let's do that. Let's do it that way. Can I just print this out first? Okay, so number of themes shipped by year. So it looks like first I got the unique number of themes, but what am I doing? The unique number or the average? Ship by year. So I would have to like can I group it and then call the unique thing on it? Like can I group it by year after doing that? Can I? Because I don't think I can do that and... Well, let's find out. We want to figure out Blue's Clues. That is not going to let me do that. No, it's not. So I have to group by first and then can I do that? Am I calling the right thing here? What happened? Oh, get away. I don't know. I guess one thing I'm not doing is creating this data set correctly. And we definitely need to do that. which I don't know why I'm so confused. Okay, wait. Come back. Let's go back up. So, okay, so well, if this is parts by year, then why don't I just do, what the hell are we doing here? This is themes by year. So what did I do up here? Up here I did the average of the numbers of parts by year. And up here I did a count of them. Up here I got the unique ones. Oh, well, this was, wait a minute, what are we doing? You will want to find a way to return. Okay, so let's just go back to the documentation, because clearly there's a way to do a unique thing at the same time. Okay, let's go. Return the data frame with counts of unique elements in each position. No. I'm not really sure. Like, I see it, but I don't see it. What we got? Sets. Group by year. Oh, I can do both. I was in the right ballpark. I just didn't know how to do it. So, yeah, sets and then group by year and then called. I just, see, I don't feel that bad. Okay, so group by year. And then do this with the double bracket. And then call the unique value on there. Let's go. And then we're gonna print the head like I tried to do the first time. Hey, get down here. Dot head. Let's go. There it is. There it is. Okay. I had the right idea. Just wasn't sure on how to do it. But that documentation really didn't assist with that at all. It was giving me some other things. It wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give. So wait. So if that's the case for that one, then that means up here, why we got it like that? Why are we doing this? Same thing. We'll come back to that because I know that's wrong. So get the number of unique themes released in 1999. Can I set it equal? do that? I don't even have to do that. Why is that here like that? It's ticking me off. Okay, so data frame is this? Oh, so themes by here. Released it. So, okay. Unique themes. I did. I could do year. Can I do year equals? Let's try it. Here. I'm not sure if that's. How do I spell unique? If that's how you do it, I don't know. But we're gonna find out. Make sure we're spelling things right. Let's go. Nope. Oop. 2 things. Need 1. Nope. What do we got wrong? No. Can't do it that way. Wait, year's not even in here, is it? Oh, yes it is. Sheesh. How did I do this one? Right, so... $19.99. How do I look? Oh, jeez. You can use a loc to slice a data frame. Man. Oh, because they're already unique. Man. How do I do the loc again? Where we at? Where you at, loc? Okay. Here it is. We're not going to use this whole thing. So I need... Wait, go back. Yeah, so the data frame loc, and then the data frame on the inside. Where we at? Where we at? So this is themes. I need like a syntax sheet so I can know. Stop it. I don't go there. These by year, loc, these by year. We want year, but I want it equal to 1999. think I need all of that. I don't know though. Let's run it. No, what happened? Right here. Am I missing a bracket? Seems by year. I feel like I specified. Can I just do? What is it? Let's check it. Cause I feel like something should be in an extra parentheses. Okay, let's see what we got. Themes by year. Look. Okay, I have to do it. Oh, and that wasn't even the right thing. It was. Can I do it this way? Themes. ID. I didn't even call the right column. Okay, I guess I can't. So I got the loc. I have to do the 1999 in here. And then that column. That's interesting. Why do I have to do it that way? Run the code. No, it said it was wrong. Did I got something spelled wrong? Num themes. Themes by year, loc, 1999. Oh, theme ID. That wouldn't work either. I feel like my way could have been the right way. Okay, so it's saying Lego blocks offer a limited amount of fun across ages. And basically it's saying in 1999 there was 71 different themes in that year. Let's see how many it was in 2020. What are we doing? Didn't go that far? What's the problem? How about 2000? For the 99 and the 2000. Okay, so what does this table go up to? Let's talk about that. There's 56 in 2000. So let's go back to 99. Alright, let's check the project because I'm sure one of these is. Oh! Wasn't that great? Alright, so it looks like we got this done in like an hour. Yay! Close your eyes. Okay, so basically we were able to read the colors data set, saw what was in it. This is pretty much letting us know like how many colors there were and if some of them were transparent or not. We saw that there are 135 colors total. So Legos make currently 135 different colors. I didn't know that was that many different colors. And out of the transparent colors, there are only 28 out of the 135. And basically, oh, okay. Oh, I guess they liked my plot here, my little scatter plot. Number of parts. That doesn't even look right. I have to change that. Why is it over here? It looks like over the years there's been more parts in the kits there, and throughout the years there's only been a certain amount of themes each year. And then we saw in 1999 that there were 71 themes. So a good way to like explore this notebook a little bit more is to like see like how many years, which one had the most years, well, the most kits, which year had the most themes, things like that. So let me know in the comments. We can revisit this a little bit later and do the unguided project and kind of just dive in and look at some more information within this data set at a later time. But it looks like we finished it. Yeah, we can go in the workspace and do a little bit more things in there. We're done with that. Let's check and see where we are. That project was outside of the data science journey, but I just wanted to try it out because clearly I need more help with learning how to do these things. But we already did the investigating Netflix movies. Next up, next week, we're going to do the Android app market on Google Play. After that, we're going to do the GitHub history of the Scala language, or Scala. And then I just have some other things to do. We'll have this to do eventually. I'll take a skill assessment test. This is what I took like 2 years ago, so hopefully this score will be higher than 55. And we're getting through this. I have 8 completed and we have 15 to go. And honestly, it's kind of 10 completed and 13 to go, but I'm literally doing these 2 over. So tune in next time, next Sunday at 12 until I'm done, which we usually try to keep these under an hour or 3. And join me on Thursday for Tap In Thursdays. We play Words on Stream and Galactic, another some type of figuring out the picture word situation or whatever. Other than that, thank you for tuning in. If you're watching this on YouTube, let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or comments. Until next time, bye.